Have you ever seen a puddle on the ground and wanted to swim in it, but realised that you don't actually know how to swim and would probably end up drowning if you did try and swim in it? Well, worry no longer. I will be giving you the proper techniques and top guidance that you will need in order to be able to swim. What is swimming? Swimming is the art of flailing your arms and also your legs in such a way that it prevents you from drowning. Places that you might go swimming may consist of the ocean, a swimming pool that is full of jelly, or the sewers. I was swimming the other day in my shower and I had to use my swimming techniques that I learnt, otherwise I could have died. That is why it is extremely important to learn how to swim. Now, before you even begin to swim, you'll need to make sure that you're wearing armbands. Armbands will come in handy if you happen to be swimming in a river full of sharks and the sharks are attacking you. You'll simply throw the armbands at the sharks while you're swimming, and the sharks will go straight for the armbands so that they don't attack you. And if you're lucky, you may end up hitting a shark directly on the head with the armband, and that could cause it a concussion, and then it definitely won't be attacking you then. So that's why it's essential that you wear the armbands. So I'm just going to apply my armbands now. Just got one here. Just put it over the hand, just like that. And then it'll go around there. Now, you'll want to make sure that it stays on, because otherwise you'll be vulnerable to sharks. You need to put the other one on as well. No good putting one on, because you're not really protected if you only wear one. So, just put the other one on now. There. Now I'm fully protected from anything. The next part of the video involved swimming in a swimming pool. But unfortunately, I completely blew the budget of this video on the armbands, so I'm afraid I'm just going to have to show you how to swim on land. Now, most people learn to swim horizontally, so the very first thing that you're going to want to do is to lie down on the floor. So just start lying down like this. Make sure that your armbands don't come off in the process. That's the biggest fatality amongst swimmers, so you need to be careful of that. Right, I have successfully lied down, and hopefully you have too. From here, what you'll want to do is to start using your arms and legs. So you can try moving your right arm around. This is a technique that I use quite frequently in the water. Just like this. And then if you're feeling confident, you can then use the other arm as well. So it should be this kind of motion, just like this. And then once you've got the hang of that, then you go with the legs as well. Just like that. So once you've got all your body parts working, you should be able to swim successfully on your back, just like this. This is how I swim regularly. And of course, you don't just have to swim on your back. There are other positions that you can swim in. So I'll just show you another position. So again, we go back down to the lying position, just like this. And then from here, you just want to lie down on your side, like this. And then again, move your arms around, and then the legs. And this is called swimming on your side. I like to swim on my side when I get tired of swimming on my back. So it's a nice variety and a good option for you while you're out swimming yourself. Just remember that you'll need to continue to move all of your limbs while you're swimming, otherwise you could drown, and that wouldn't bode well for any future swims that you may want to do. The final position that I'll be showing you today is swimming on your front. So again, we go back down to the lying position. Just like this. And then from here, you'll want to flail your arms upwards like this. And then the legs, just make them go something like this. And this is swimming. This is what you'll want to aim towards. You just keep going like this. And then eventually you'll be as good as me. Maybe even better in time. But I've been doing this for years. So just good luck with your practice. You need to practice a lot and then you'll get to this level. Now I know what you're thinking. It's all well and good being able to swim on land, but what about swimming on water? You haven't showed us how to do that. Well, don't worry about that. Just so happens that I have a glass of water here. I'll just pour some on me. There we go. Got some of the water on me now. And I'll just show you now how to swim in water. So what you'll want to do, go back down to the lying position. And try going on your back if you want. And then just remember everything I've taught you and then you'll be fine. Right, just go like this. Flail your arms like that. Make sure you flail your legs. I'm soaked as well, so the things I do for you in order to show you how to swim. You can of course swim in other liquids, but I'd recommend sticking with water for now until you're ready to move on to something else. And this completes the tutorial on how to swim. If you find that you're still struggling to swim in a body of water and you end up sinking and you have to keep getting resuscitated, then I would recommend sticking to swimming on land instead. Now I'm going to go off now and do laps around the room, so I'll catch you all later. Goodbye everybody. So, I'm just going to go back to my swimming position. Right. Okay, that's one lap done. Reach the end, so just gonna swim the other direction now. Oh, swimming's difficult. Get tired very easily. Well, I made it to the other end. That's 2 laps. That's pretty good going. Oh, I might take a nap now. I think I've earned it. I'll give swimming a go another time.